Let's take a peep into the crypto market now with Laddie Williams.
Yeah, so we have some relief in the market now. The market cap, back above 2 trillion. We see Bitcoin, rising above the 42,000 level. So there's some relief for traders at this point, but hopefully the bears don't, sell on this rise. It's $2 trillion now, the market cap, up 3.13%. Volume down 15%. Bitcoin dominance there we see at 40.12%. And we see Bitcoin able to rise above the 42,000 level this morning at $42,700. It's up by 1.40%. 24-hour volume, $25.42 billion. And we see Ethereum too, not looking bad. Also been able to stay above the $3,000 mark at 3,200, up 4% this morning. A bigger rise than Bitcoin there. 24-hour volume traded in Ethereum, $15.16 billion. So the bulls are looking quite strong this morning, but who knows what's going to happen next. BNB, $461. It's up 5%. Looking at the top alts by market cap, the token for the crypto exchange there having a recovery. So it's mostly a broad recovery all around the market this morning. Cardano, $1.21, up 5%. Solana, $139. But we see XRP there still below the 80 cents mark. Let's bring in Gilbert Jopata now, a digital market analyst. Great to have you, Gilbert. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Laddie.
Yeah, so how are you seeing this jump, this spike in price of Bitcoin? We did get to about $39,000, then got a sharp rise there. How are you seeing the market?
Okay, the market is still resting its key zones. And it's good to still see that there was a high rejection at the 39K zone. And we have an increase and a possible bounce beyond the present price we are in. We may probably go test the 46, 47K zone as well.
All right, we've seen major markets, rattled by, the talk about interest rate hikes. But how does it really affect Bitcoin? Thinking that Bitcoin should actually, be a hedge, at some point.
Okay, central bank excessive printing actually bring in a high demand on the use of Bitcoin as a hedge, which is also regarded as digital gold and a safe haven asset. Bitcoin came into existence at the time when interest rates were low. So a quick increase in interest rates can bring about a short-term speculatory downward movement. But we must remember that Bitcoin is an open source monetary system that anyone can trust. So we have trust now for this monetary system, but it will just be a matter of time before the consequence of increased interest rates will step in, and also they will discover they just can't fight inflation and a weak economy together. The crypto market is a global ecosystem, and the U.S. will need to get themselves together, or else they may end up in a disadvantaged position.
Yeah, but it seems like the crypto market is, losing that hedge quality about it, because I noticed that when you see sell-offs in major markets, you also see sell-offs in the crypto market. So like a recent IMF report I saw says it's not looking good as a hedge.
Okay, this is because the market is controlled by people and investors. So if investors panic, because many people still regard Bitcoin not just as safe haven, they use it for speculatory reason. Maybe this may be because it may not have 1,000 years of store of value purpose, but as time goes on, people will discover that it is an open source monetary system with a limited supply, which even makes it a better store of value. So it's just a matter of time once people discover that you just can't use this for speculatory purpose, but as a store of value, we will see it always outperform any other asset class that it is being pegged to.
Well, quite interesting. It did outperform gold, though. Anyway, Gilbert, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
All right, top 5 gainers there. We see Phantom there, $2.80, up 18.50%. That the Dagger blockchain infrastructure looking good this morning. We see Harmony there. Harmony has been on a rise recently. It's at 31 cents, up 13% this morning. And we see Kusama there, $273, up 10%. Top losers there, we see Dash there. Dash was beginning to rise, but lost its the rising trend at this point. It's down 7%. And ICP, the internet computer, having a pullback, also down 4%. And we see Chainlink, yeah, one of the favorites there, is down 4%. And we see a couple of stable coins. So it's some relief in the market right now.
Some relief, but I mean, I found that conversation about crypto being a hedge and not being a hedge very interesting.
Yeah.
Because with the volatility in the market, I don't know how you can make it a hedge. You know?
Exactly. But, some argue that, okay, look at gold, which is a safe haven. In about 10 years, it's actually gone down. So they're saying, oh, Bitcoin has gone up about over 100% in just last year. So that's where they're looking at it from, so... Yeah,
anyway,
the debate goes on.
It's just important that investors get a lot of information
exactly
before they make a decision.
Yeah.
Really
What's
important.
your best hedge?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ladi.